hierarchy diagram, and we generated our change comparison list. And by now we're ready to go to our functions list. As we discussed before, in functions list, you can exactly use the left-hand side of the change comparison list. In this case, you are duplicating the system, the lead department, assembly parts, sub-assemblies, and individual parts. They are exactly a copy from the change comparison list, so you don't want to do any additional work there. As you can see here, we have the reference from exploded view. Okay, then you have your list of components, exactly same as the change comparison list. What is new here, you have the basic function and the additional function for that part. So we said Smart123 is the name for the whole assembly or the part as a whole. What is the basic function for a smartwatch in this case? Smartwatch usually, we can say it is a portable device for controlling the phone components. So whatever you can see on the watch is an indication or notification from whatever on the phone. We can, between parentheses, we can say messages, calling, and so messages, calling, information, or notification, let's say. If you want to add, you can say, oh, we can receive phone calls from it, we can control some phone features with it, and so on. The crown, in this case, the basic function of it is navigating through the watch apps. It could probably, each company will be different than the other one. Touch screen, it's considered an input device. To the watch functionality. Steel enclosure, in this case it is considered protection, and packaging, biometric sensors, we can say sensing the user biometric information and input to the watch for processing you can add always additional functions as well. Those functions will be used in our the change matrix that we talked about before, or what we call it here as a potential concerns. So you are preparing all your list of components, functions, basic functions, and additional functions to be able to put them in the x-axis and compare them with the list of components on the y-axis in our change matrix. So you add as much details as possible here, but for the favor of time, we will be good with that. And let's say PCB here. What's the function for the PCB? Handling inputs and outputs for the system. Projection assembly. In this case, it is trying to project the watch content on the user hand with the ability, in this case with the ability to control. And that's it. Now you're ready. Your function list is ready. You already put all the functions for each component of the system, and you're ready to go to your potential concern or the change matrix in this case. And that's what we're gonna learn next.